I'm excited. Today's going to be a long class, so I hope everyone's really ready to learn. And happy Thursday, okay? Yay, let's get started. Okay, here is everyone that did their homework. Good job. We have Blue Moon, Sino, Zook, Funny, George, Hanam, Milk, Moon, Puppy, Rosie, Sam, and Taylor. Nice job, guys. We're going to use the PowerPoint today to go over the homework. And today is going to be a review class. You'll see what I mean in just a minute. Okay, so here was the homework. Once again, thank you everyone who did their homework. It looked really good. Okay, so number one, a blank is anything from nature that people can use. Read the whole sentence, okay? Let's have Taylor. Let's have you start us off today. Taylor, could you read number one with the correct answer?
Nature resource is anything from nature that people can use.
Perfect. Excellent job. All right, so let me write that in there. A natural resource. Sorry, I can't make the writing any smaller. Maybe I'll put it up here so we can actually read it. Good job, Taylor. All right, letter B, the first detail. Let's have, it looks like Puppy, you want to read it?
Yes.
Go ahead.
People use water
Read the whole thing.
for drinking, cleaning, and cooking.
Excellent job. Great work, Puppy. Okay, next one. Let's have Susu. Susu, can you read the next detail?
People and many animals breathe air.
Excellent job, air. And just to practice some good reading, let's have Tiger. Can you read the third detail? Can you read the third one? This one right here.
Plant animals, rock and solar are the natural resources.
Very good. Great work and excellent reading. Number 4, why are animals a natural resource? Pasta?
Because they are from nature.
All right, very good. So that's the first part. So I'll start with that. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't know why I keep clicking. They are from nature. Why else are they a natural resource? Sam?
What?
Why else are animals a natural resource? They are from nature.
Yes.
And if they're from
they
nature,
are
that just,
resource.
yes. So what does it mean that they're a resource?
That means it's people not make that, and it is earth make animals.
So that means that they're natural, right? So they are from nature. That means that they're natural. But how do you know that they're a resource? Anything from nature, there's a lot of things in nature that we don't use, right?
Me.
So what does it mean that it's a natural resource? What do we do with it?
We make things.
Yeah, we make things. So they're from nature and we not always.
Here's my homework.
Very good. What did you write?
I wrote animal need animal to live. Animal needs plant to live. Plant needs sunlight and water to live.
Very good. Okay, so another reason they're a natural resource is that animals need animals to live. and people need animals. All right, very good job, Sam. So we have, they are from nature, that means they're natural, and we use them, so they're a resource. They're also a natural resource for other animals that use them, for plants that use animals. Okay, guys, great work on your homework. So today is a review class. We're going to review everything we've learned so far. Now, it might not be the most fun class, but tomorrow we're going to spend the entire class, the whole class, playing games, drawing on the screen, circling, answering questions and competing against each other. So if you want to do a good job tomorrow when we play games, make sure you pay close attention today so that you know all the right answers. Okay, everybody?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, good. So first, natural resource. Nam, can you read the definition of natural and the definition of resource?
Natural from natural.
So remember, Nam, this word is natural and this word is nature. Can you read one more time?
Natural from nature.
Excellent. And resource?
Resource, something you can use.
Excellent job, Nam. So, Sophia, what is a natural resource? What would the definition of natural resource be?
From natural, something we can use.
Yeah, exactly. Something you can use from nature. Great job, Sophia. You're exactly right. Here's the definition. Rosie, could you read this definition for us?
Natural resource, anything from nature that people can use.
Excellent job, Rosie. Great work. And can you tell me one natural resource that we've learned?
Rock.
Rock. Excellent. Great job, Rosie. Okay, I need someone to give me 2 more natural resources. Banana, can you give me 2 more?
What?
So far we have rock. Can you tell me 2 more natural resources? What else have we learned?
Water.
Water, good. And another one?
Animal.
Animals, excellent job. Thank you, Banana. And Tom, can you give me the other 3?
Air.
Air, good. Another one?
Soil.
Soil, very good. And there's one more. Not animals, but what did we learn when we learned about animals? We also learned about, it starts with a P. Everybody say it.
Plants.
Excellent, plants. Did I hear somebody say pizza? I don't think pizza is a natural resource, everybody. Okay, so these are the 6 natural resources we learned. And here is our big idea. Tiger, can you read our big idea? Very good, excellent work, Tiger. Thank you. There are many kinds of resources on Earth, and here are 6 of them. Here are 6 of them. Now here's a challenge. Let's see if anyone can think of something. Can someone think of a natural resource other than these 6 things? Anything else in nature that we can use? Raise your hand in your video. This is a challenge. Sino? Good, okay. So technically that might be a kind of soil, but it's definitely a good idea. Anyone else? Zook?
Oil.
Oil, excellent. Oil is a natural resource. It's dirty energy, so we don't want to use it, but we definitely use it, and it comes from nature. Anyone else? Funny?
Wood. Nature tourist.
Say it again, Funny.
Wood.
Wood. So I'm gonna say that wood is a plant because it comes from a tree. Do you have any other ideas, Funny? Keep thinking, I'll come back to you, okay? Anyone else? All right, that's pretty good. Let's see. Oh, did I see Blue Moon? Did you raise your hand, Blue Moon?
Yes.
Go ahead, what's another natural resource?
Fur.
Fur comes from animals. We already have animals. Keep thinking, Tom.
Milk.
Milk also comes from animals. It has to be something different than these 6. Ray?
Sunlight and wind. Sunlight and wind.
So the wind we consider air, but sunlight is an excellent example. All right, so sunlight, just like wind and water, we can use sunlight to make clean energy. We use solar panels to collect, to get the sunlight, and we can use that as energy in our house. Let's see, I can think of a few more. What about insects? We use those as bait when we go fishing. Some people eat them or decorate with them. You never know. What else? Maybe reptiles and amphibians. Oh, I guess actually those are all considered animals, aren't they? We use them for their skin. Oh, metal. Metals like gold, iron, right? Metals that we use to build things or make jewelry. I think that's a really good start. Good job, guys, coming up with a few more natural resources. All right, let's see what we remember. I want you guys to circle the natural resources. Just the natural resources, okay? Go ahead and circle, give it a try. Good job, Taylor, nice. Tom, good job. Pasta, excellent. Whoever's drawing the boxes, please stop. All right, see, now I have to take the time to erase some of these boxes. All right, it looks like most of us got them right. Remember, natural resources are things that we can use from nature. Do we find a t-shirt in nature, everybody?
No!
No, we don't find t-shirts in nature. Let's try one more time. Ready, set, draw. Nice, Tom, good. All right, much better. We still had a few people circle the pencil, the t-shirt, and the brick wall, but those are not found in nature. We find trees, pigs, plants, animals, rock, plants. This is not a natural resource. We make it from natural resources, but we don't find a brick wall in nature. This is not a natural resource, and this is not. We don't find that in nature. All right, so remember, these are the questions you should ask yourselves. Zook, can you read this question?
Which of these we can do for something?
Well, it says which ones can be found in nature. So it needs to be a resource found in nature, outside, in the earth, in the environment. Okay. What is conservation? Does anyone remember? Raise your hand in your video if you remember what conservation is. Susu.
Means to save.
Say it again.
It means to save.
Excellent, Susu, to save. It means to save. Here we are, and let's have someone read this for us. How about Blue Moon?
Conserve means to save, protect something once we use all of our resources from the earth. They gone forever. How can we conserve the air?
Very good. Excellent work, Blue Moon. So once we use all of our resources, they're gone forever. We can't make more water. We can't make more rocks or soil. Only the earth can. So they'll be gone forever. So let's remember the 3 R's. Everybody say reduce.
Reduce!
That means to use less. Let's reduce how much water and plastic we use. Everyone say reuse.
Reuse!
And recycle.
Recycle!
Good, okay. Now let's get into this part. Milk, can you read this for us?
Yes. Air. Air is a natural resource. We breathe air. Wind is moving air. This hang
glider.
Hang glider use wind to move. A wind farm changes. Wind in.
Go ahead. So can you say a wind farm changes?
Wind farm changes. Wind to
useful
energy. Energy gives light and heat to homes.
Excellent. Good job. Thank you, Milk, for reading. So what's the first thing that we use air for, Milk?
What?
What's the first thing we use air for?
To breathe.
Excellent. We use air to breathe. Okay, so now I want 2 more ways that people can use air. Banana, please stop drawing stars. I'm not sure why you can. Please do not, though. Thank you. Let's see. How about Cherry? Cherry, what are 2 more ways that we can use air? So we have this one already. Can you think of 2 more?
We use air to play.
To play? What do you mean to play? How do we use air? What do you see in this description, Cherry?
To fly.
To fly, good. Planes needed to fly. We needed to fly. We use air to move, to travel. And what's another one, Cherry? What's another way we use air?
I'm not sure.
A wind farm. Can you start from there?
A wind farm turned wind into useful energy.
So here's a wind farm. This is a windmill. So what do we use air for? To make what?
To make wind farm.
Yeah, to make energy, right? To give light and heat to our houses. Why might wind energy be important? Ben 10, what do you think?
To help planes fly.
All right, so to help things fly, that's why wind is important. That's a good reason, and Ben. So this time, let's focus not just on wind, but wind energy made by a windmill. Why is this important? George, what do you think, George? Why is wind energy important?
It's clean energy.
It's clean energy, very good. And what does that mean, George? Why is it clean? Does it put pollution in the air?
No.
No. Does oil and coal put pollution in the air, George?
Yes.
Yes, dirty energy. Wind and water energy are clean. All right, guys, so this is air. We use air to breathe, we use wind to move, and we use wind to turn into clean energy to give electricity to our homes. All right, next one, water. Dragon, can you read this for us?
Water is a
Natural resource.
special resource. We use water in many ways.
Excellent job, perfect. So it's a natural resource. Let's remember how we use it. How do we use it in this picture? Moon.
The girl is
For drinking. How do we use it in this picture, Moon?
washing.
Washing, excellent, or bathing. Either one is good.
Thing.
What about this picture?
Sailing.
Yeah, so traveling. Can you say traveling?
Traveling.
Excellent answer. Good job, Moon. And let's have Funny give us the next one. Funny, how do we use it in this picture?
Water the plant.
Excellent, watering plants. And Funny, up here in the top right, do you see 2 more ways we can use water?
Yes.
Go ahead and say 2 of them.
Make a fish tank.
Excellent, for our fish. And one more?
To stop fire.
To stop a fire, excellent. All right, everyone, show me drinking water. Show me putting out a fire. How do you put out a fire? Whoa, nice. All right, show me riding on a boat, traveling. Nice. Show me watering plants. How do you water your plants? And taking a bath. Good job. We use water in a lot of ways. So what harms the water? Who remembers some of these? Puppy, what are some of the things that hurt the water, that harm it?
Dirty water.
Dirty water, good. Wastewater. What else do you see here, Puppy?
Trash.
Trash, very good. And one more thing. You know one of these two? What might this one be showing? Look how much water is being used.
We are using many water.
Yes, can you say using too much water?
Using too much water.
Very good. We need to reduce how much water we use because once we run out, it's all gone. And this last one here is drilling for oil, looking for oil in the ocean. And we think we know that answer. Plants and animals. So we've looked at water, air. Now let's look at plants and animals. Tiger, can you read this for me? Good, to make clothes and other things we need. Excellent job, Tiger, thank you. So plants and animals are natural resources. We find them in nature and we use them. What do we use them for? Nam, what do we use plants and animals for?
To eat.
To eat, excellent. And what else?
To breathe air.
We use plants, oh, I guess plants may help make air, you're right. What else do we use them for?
Plant table.
Good. To make things, right? To make clothes and other things. Nice job, Nam. And those things that we make are called goods. Goods. Rosie, can you read about goods?
Goods are things that we make and sell.
Excellent. Like tables, chairs, clothes, things we make and sell. All right, you guys know the deal. Circle all of the plants. Circle all of the plants. All right, good job, Blue Moons, on a start. Nice, Cherry, Tom, good. Excellent, I see Tom got the harder one too. All right, very good. We have a tree, tomatoes, and cotton. What do we use cotton for? Tom, what do we use cotton for? Do you remember?
We use cotton to make clothes.
Excellent, to make clothes, great work. All right, now circle all the animals. Circle all the animals. Good job, Banana, nice. Good, Puppy. Tom, excellent. All right, you guys got those. Those were easy. This is a little harder. So now we're talking about the difference between a good and a resource. So remember, goods are things that we make and sell. So circle all of the goods. Circle all of the goods. Good job, Milk, excellent. All right, nice work. I'm going to remove some of these extra drawings. There we go. All right, you guys did a good job. So, some of them you got wrong, but most of them you got right for the most part. These four, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we are, the rocking chair, the cheese, the sweater, and the socks. Those are things we make. They're goods. Now circle all of the natural resources. Which ones can we find in nature and use? Natural resources. Nice, Tiger, first one out. Good job. This looks good though. We had a couple of people circle the rocking horse of all things. Do we find rocking horse in nature?
No.
No, we don't find those in nature. We find these in nature, animals and plants. All right, last one for plants and animals. Match the natural resource to the good that it can make. One nice line, okay? No scribbling. Ready, set, go. Looking good, everybody, nice. All right, very, very good. The sheep's wool makes the sweater. The tomatoes make the ketchup. Zook, what does the cow make?
The cow makes the cheese.
Good, and what does the tree make?
The tree make the wood horse.
Excellent, the wood horse, very good. All right, guys, let's read about rocks. Banana, can you read about rocks for me?
Rocks are a natural resource. A rock is a hard, non-living thing, object from the ground. We use rock to build things.
Excellent job. What do we use rocks for? Blue Moon.
Rocks are natural resources.
Blue Moon, we already read that. Sorry. Blue Moon, we already read that. I'm just asking, what can we use rocks for? How do we use them?
To build.
To build things. Excellent. How else can we use them? Cherry, how else can we use rocks?
We can use rocks to build like the chair rocks.
So we have to build already. We can build, you said a chair, maybe build a house. How else can we use rocks? How about Ben 10? How else can we use rocks?
We use rocks to play.
Excellent, to play, very good. Let's think of one more. How about, raise your hand if you have another one. Sophia?
Build table.
So build a table. All right, let's get one more. Good job, Sophia. One more that's not about building. How else can we use it other than building? Pasta?
The decoration.
Ah, there we go. Nice work, Pasta. Decoration. All right. And now, Moon, can you read the gray box for me?
Rock comes from the rock. Where do you see rock in this picture?
Excellent work, thank you. And where do we see rocks in this picture? Milk, where do you see rocks in this picture?
Under the ground.
Excellent, under the ground. That's the first place, right here. Nice work, Milk. And where else do we see rocks? Funny?
We see it on the tree.
On the tree? I don't see a tree in this picture. Where else do you see any other rocks in this picture? We have under the ground. That's okay, Funny. It was a good guess. Sino, what do you think? Where did your name go, Sino? There we go. Go ahead, Sino. Where else do we see rocks?
On the soil.
On the soil. Very good. All right. And what are some words that we can use to describe rocks? What are some words we can use to describe them? Let's see, George. What are some words we can use to describe rocks, to talk about them, what they look like, what they feel like? Say it again.
Big.
Big and small. Big and small. That's a good start. Let's see. How about Ray? Ray, can you give us some more?
Short and tall.
Short, tall. What about how they feel, Ray? What are the words we use for feel?
Move, hard, rusty.
Good. Those are good starts. what about Taylor? What do you think, Taylor?
Shiny.
Shiny. Excellent. What's the opposite of shiny?
I don't know.
That's okay. Can you say dull?
Dull.
Good. And do you remember the opposite of smooth?
Rough.
Rough. All right. I think that's good for rocks. Smooth, rough, shiny, dull, round, square, big, small, colors. Soil. Sophia, can you read about soil?
Soil is natural resources too. Soil is the top layer of earth. We use soil to grow plants. We can
Also
use it to make things. We can use red for building.
very good, Sophia. So dragon, what do we use soil for?
To play, trees.
Excellent. To play, can you give me another one, Dragon?
To build roads.
Excellent. To build roads and other things. So to play, to build roads. Sam, can you give me some more?
Grow plants.
Grow plants. Very good.
We can make a thing like make a square, or we can make a shape of something or an animal.
All right, so we can use it to make other things too. We could even make toys, it sounds like.
We can use it because it's a dirty thing, but it is good to play or do something else, and we need it, and the worm help we is where all the animal need it too. And when the dirt is not clean and the other has cleaned the earth, the worm will go there too. We know where do we grow plants.
Excellent, that's perfect. We even use worms in fishing and things too. And very nice rocks, Sam. I like your rocks. Okay, so that's all. Tomorrow we're gonna be playing lots of games. So I hope you all paid attention today so you can do a good job on the games tomorrow. Your homework tonight is to draw any environment you want. You can draw a tundra, the desert, the ocean, a lake, anything you want. And label the natural resources. So label an animal, a plant, water, air, soil, and a rock. Here's an example of what label means. Label, that means write what it is. I labeled this as a plant. I labeled this bear as an animal. Labeled this as water, rock, soil. So label it an air. Label it so we know what natural resources are in your picture, okay? All right, so I look forward to showing all your beautiful pictures tomorrow. And we can practice natural resources with some games and some drawing. Okay, I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye, everybody.